So I bet you're wondering which chainsaw we chose. Well, let me go and show you what arrived at our doorstep the other day, and I'm pretty happy about it. I think I made the right choice. Here we go. The Husqvarna. It's the Husqvarna 445 that we chose. So we're going to unbox it for you and do a first use, and pretty excited about this. So let's see what's in the box. Got our instruction manuals, of course. Oh, beautiful. So, with some of the other ones, they're a lot wider. This one is incredibly slim in this direction, and its weight is really manageable. This is, I think they calculated 10 pounds, a little over 10 pounds. And we've got, I think it's an 18-inch bar on here. That's the one I chose. The reason that I chose the Husqvarna, apart from the quality that I have heard about the brand in the past, chose it because it is the only one with a 2-year manufacturer warranty after purchase. So a lot of the ones that were at the Northern Tool retail store were refurbished, and the refurbs only have a 1 month 1 month warranty on them, and I didn't care for that too much. You know, I think Husqvarna and whoever refurbs them can do a better job than that, but I know that these are easier to start than stills. I know that some people go back and forth about the quality between a steel and a Husky, but for the purpose out here that I'm going to be using it for, this is going to be a perfect tool. Let's open this baby up and fill her up, see how she runs. Okay everyone, well, you're probably asking, what is this crazy get-up that I got on? Well, you know what, I'm a safety guy, not afraid to say it, not ashamed to say it. I like to protect myself. I've got hearing loss in both ears already, so hence this. I want to protect my eyes, hence this. This is the Husqvarna Helmet, and it's got all the safety gear on it. The screen catches big chunks that might cut you and hit you in the face. Then I've got my safety glasses on behind that for the small stuff that'll get through the screen. And it's got the earmuffs on it, which are great. I bought the chaps. Yes, I did. I'm going to need some suspenders to keep these things up, but they're pretty good. And why did I do that? Well, this is the first chainsaw that I've owned, but I've used them before. And the last time I used one, alright, second to last time I used one, I had a really bad kickback, and it came right past and touched my jeans on this side. Never again. These chaps are designed to stop the chainsaw as soon as it touches it. They don't go through, and I'm not going to use this chainsaw without these. I highly recommend them. Also, you see what I'm carrying here? This is an also just in case. I like to be prepared, and this is my vehicle trauma pack. It's got all kinds of great stuff in it, and it will handle injuries from this thing, and I'll probably do a review on this at another time. I've upgraded it and continue to upgrade it, so you'll see more on this pack. You can find this on our website, on our blog, and homestead tool store. So enough about that. Let's start this thing up. She's oiled, fueled. The chain is at the proper tension, and let's go. Started fairly easy, which is great. So we've got this down limb here. It's probably 8 inches thick down here. We're going to see how it runs through it. That's about all I've got big, and that's down right now. And we'll do another video on cutting down a tree on the other part of the homestead over there, on the other acreage. But I just want to give this a quick test run, see how she does. So you can see from the first part of the cutting, I forgot to put down the shield and the earmuffs. And it actually wasn't that loud, but just my inexperience with having a helmet on. This is new to me, but I wanted the protection. I didn't use them in the past at all. And yeah, I never had an accident, but I never want to have accident in the future, and like I said, my ears are awful. But first impression, started pretty easy for the first time, and the weight is just fantastic. It's not light as a feather, but it's awesome. And my first impression is it's good. We're gonna give it a lot of tests out here on the homestead, and I might do a re-review in the future, see how it's held up over time. But anyway, thank you for watching. And oh, by the way, you'll see me wearing these shirts in the videos every so often. I highly recommend, if you're going to learn a self-defense system / martial art, look into Krav Maga. I used to be a practitioner down in Houston. I still do on my own, occasionally practice, and it is insanely practical, wonderful, physical fitness challenge. And anyway, check it out. There's a good school in Houston, KMG, Krav Maga Global. And anyway, we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for being here. Like and subscribe. Remember, alright? See ya. We hope you enjoyed the video, everyone. We've got a lot of new toys lately, which is a ton of fun. And this one is going to be a blast. So, click on the video on the right hand side of the screen if you want to see us install one of our other new toys, which is a vise. And we show you how to install it, how to use it. It's a fantastic piece of equipment to also have on a homestead. Go visit us at countrylivingexperience.com. Check out our tool store, read our blog, and come back and see us again. Appreciate it. Have a great day.